All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Sunday, oh no, Saturday Jon Swings. I'm not Alex Gonzalez, okay? I am my own economy, so welcome. I'm my own analysis paralysis. Now, last week has been really interesting. I actually don't know what has happened, but you can see we had that 70% trade. So on the right side, these are the trades that I've marked off. So there's been in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. And yeah, 7 trades. And 3 of these markets have been my own that I've analyzed by myself. And all the other blue ones are markets that my mentor trades, okay? And pretty much all of them have been not in my trading plan because as you can see, we have this market, this is the first market, and we only have one time frame in sync in order to buy. And I won't buy a trade that has only one time frame in sync. Like it only has the weekly bullish and the other time frames all bearish. So I know that he said like, and I think we actually closed it out at like break evens and stuff. So this happened on Monday the 10th of February. So I never took this trade. USD cat actually has played out, which is crazy to me. Like I don't like fucking where did this close it out? Like, I didn't take the trade, but like you can see it's like you can see all these confluences right here, like crazy pretty much. And it actually looks like a good trade, but he still said it's a high risk trade. Like it looks good. Like all three, like we have 2 time frames in sync, but Alex said that we're still trading against the trend. And if somebody with 6 years of experience tells me that, then I'm not gonna take a trade on that. Okay, I have time. I am not in a rush for anything. I want to see the strategy play out, and that's it. So that's why I didn't take the trade USD CAD, even if we had like a fucking 150%. And trust me, I've been there. Like I'm watching the market at all times. So entity USD, it's like it's moving every single day. So you just have to clock in like once a day. It's really simple. Entity. Okay, so now the analysis for next week is going to be very simple because weekly time frame, daily time frame. The daily time frame hasn't shifted, so I still want to wait for new higher like it has to create a new lower low and then a higher high. Like I can't do anything about it right now because yeah, we might have the 4 hour bullish as well, but like now this is bearish, now this is bullish, now this is bearish, and this is bullish. Okay, so we could say the 4 hours bullish easily. 4 hour bullish, so we got already an 80% trade, or maybe I might not. Now the weekly time frame. And Alex said as well, UGP might be a trade for next week. So the weekly time frame right now had a candlestick rejection. Doji weekly structure, yeah, we still have that, and that's cool. Daily area of interest. So do we have a previous structure point, candlestick rejection, AOI, psychological level? No, we don't have any psychological levels. Yeah, I think that's it. Weekly EMA, we don't have daily area of interest. So, daily area of interest, yeah, we have that. Then daily, no, we only have daily doji, and then 4 hour, so 4.1. Then the 4 hour. Also, we need to have like I think the area of like yeah, candlestick rejection. I don't know. It's like kind of like we already have 4 and kind of like EMA would be important. So if we break and retest above here, we would have the EMA as well in sync. As you can see, we have like marked this off right here as like a area or whatever. So if it breaks and retests above that, we have the 4 hour EMA. That will give us extra 5%. I will do that in Klammern. 4 hour EMA and 5%. Now, will this be a good trade to take? So we got an like extra 15% added, I think. So let me see. 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. So we got a 95% trade, right? I mean, it's okay. Like, it's not the end of the world. But I'm still thinking like we don't have the daily in sync, but like gives some more like headspace now. Especially like after this weekly wick, I think it's good. I think like a cool head and shoulders would be cool. If I invert this scale, can we see any pattern right here? I mean, we have like maybe like a. I mean, we don't have really a head and shoulders forming. Left head, right shoulder maybe. I don't know. And then break retest above the neckline. Could you mark this off? I don't know. So left head, and then right shoulder maybe, something like that. And yeah, this could be something like it, you know, like it doesn't have to be perfect all the time, but like you get my point, right? Like it's like, yeah, I don't know, daily time frame maybe. Yeah, you know, like you get my point. It's kind of a head and shoulders, and so yeah, if you invert the scale, it's always because yeah, it has momentum, but like why would you enter right now? Like if it's gonna have a pullback anyways. So I think it's gonna have a pullback to that area, and then next week or whatever, or maybe doji, whatever, fuck around. I don't know. So USD cat, I'm gonna drop USD cat to the bottom. Boom. Okay, so now entity USD. We had the buy, we had the move, but it has been a high risk trade because we had no time frame in sync pretty much. The weekly hasn't been bullish, the daily hasn't been bullish. We had nothing bullish. The only thing that was here, I think we lost the trade even, and like it's actually crazy that I see that right now because in the signal group we took that trade and the move happened. But we just got stopped out by like we just had the wrong entry in a sense. So it had to move most of it had the biggest move on Friday. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think for next week, I think. I mean, it looks good. We are very bullish. We have strong momentum on the bullish side. If this is gonna have a pullback on a weekly, I don't need the weekly bullish now. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with taking a trade. We have still a lot of space until the next point, pretty much until here. So finding the next entry will be tricky, but we can do it because it's will be just like the previous structure point on the daily or on the 4 hour, you know, and they are gonna be pretty much the same thing. So I think maybe waiting for a retest until here and then we take the trade. That's very simple. Then AUD USD is the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame on AUD USD. So yeah, ended USD waiting for buys. Okay, I'm just gonna write it down like retest to then buy. UGP, I would say, yeah, we need to break and retest. Retest to then buy. Yeah, AUD USD is pretty much the same thing. Like you just have to wait for it. Likes the market structure looks really good. You know, it looks very good, and the daily time frame looks good as well. Like it will be a previous structure point and everything. So we just need to wait for that. And I think AUD USD I like it even more. I think actually. Retest then buy. Easy. GBP NZD weekly time frame right now is yeah, it's a difficult one, man. Like the weekly time frame looks like it's still bullish. It has like a move, but then also a retracement. It's like weird. Then the daily time frame looks like a head and shoulders really. It's not really clear. Like this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, higher high, higher low. So we're kind of like having a bullish structure right now, but also not because like trying. Then this is bearish. So 4 bearish, daily bullish, and weekly bullish. weekly bullish, daily bullish for bearish is weird. Like I would have to wait for like it's just weird, man. Like yeah, just looking at this one, to be honest. Weekly time frame, GBP AUD is high, high, lower high. Yeah, okay, so weekly bearish, daily time frame, lower high, high, low high. Yeah, so this is also bearish. No, high, high. Yeah, no. I mean, if you would count this as an elbow, then this would be the high, and we would be bullish. So weekly bearish, weekly bearish, weekly bearish, daily bullish, and the 4 hour is bullish. I think that was bearish. Fuck. So it's all over the place as well. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of it, to be honest. So I think I'm just gonna drop both of these to the bottom. Euro USD. Weekly time frame on Euro USD. I thought I would have to move to the downside. So yeah, or my analysis wasn't correct. This happens. Okay. So it had the retest, but it didn't sell really. It just broke through that, even though we had like a hand shoulders and stuff. Yeah, but I'm still gonna stick to my plan. Fuck it. So you will see for this week, weekly time frame is still bearish. Still bearish. Daily time frame is now bullish. Low, high. Daily bullish, 4 hour bullish. So this would be a perfect day trade. You could wait for retest to then buy. We have a lot like room to the upside. I mean, yeah, if you would break through that structure right here, then it would be good. Then we would have like free fall, pretty much. But right now, like we'll break like all this stuff right here. You know, like we're buying directly into this area of interest. So it doesn't really make sense, in my opinion, to directly sell right here. Like if we break until here, like the only thing holding us back is this one, and this would be, yeah, I don't know, like it would be probably smarter to wait for. It could probably just fuck around right here. So I don't know. Weekly time frame. I think I want to wait for that. I want to wait for the break and retest, and I think it's gonna take more than 1 week. Or ideally, like up here, you know. But first, I want to see this move before I do anything else. It might just fuck around next week. So, yeah, I don't want to trade this for now. KJPY. This has been our expected move, and the weekly time frame. Fuck, man. Daily bullish, weekly. So weekly. Fuck, man, what is this? It's fucking trash, man. So weekly bearish. Looks bearish for me, bro. Like, I fucking know, man. Like, this is just crap, like, all over the fucking place. Like, my mind is not ready for that. I don't want anything to do with it, man. It just looks weird. I want something clear, like something. Give me something clear. That's telling me directly. As you can see, this is bearish. However, it's having pullback. Same thing as Euro USD. I believe that it should have more of a break because it's not the right time to buy right now, really. That's for sale. Because we're having pullback and heavy resistance, bro. Like, yeah, something like this, man. Like, but next week. Euro AUD. Dude, what the fuck, man? Weekly bearish, but coming to support level. Bearish. Resistance. Oh man. Like, this is just a headache. USD CHF. Bullish. Bearish. Bearish. Day trade. Yeah, it's at the EMA, so I like it, you know. And it's like a counter trend trade, so yeah, fuck it. I mean, this looks good, right? Retested and buy. We have EMAs, we have daily candlestick rejections. I like this one. I really like this one because it looks like could fill this week next week. So yeah, I'm gonna put that on my list. Weekly, bearish. I said bullish, bro. So bullish. Weekly bullish. Daily bearish. So now weekly bullish. Daily bullish. Sorry. For bullish. The fuck, man. Yeah, someone should fuck around. Bearish. Bearish. Yeah. Okay. Like a lot of these pairs, they look complicated and like or like choppy and like it's like so much information. It's like I don't want to think around 1,000 corners. I want simple trades. That's it. Like I just want easy trades, bro. Like I'm trying to figure out hard shit here, man. It's bearish, bullish. It's like, bro, what is it doing? Now it's breaking. Like it looks weird. If I don't like the weekly, I'm most likely really like, not into the trades. Yeah, fuck that, bro. Like, what the fuck? It's supposed to be simple, man. NCT Cat, thank you, NCT Cat. Okay, finally something that we have simple. Bearish, retest, push, middle of the move. Bearish, no, bullish. See, like it's bullish. Can't do anything. Okay, 4. Even a 4 bullish. Fuck this, bro. Okay. Weekly time frame. What the fuck? Bro! This is the definition of choppiness right here. Like, what the heck? Daily time frame. What the heck? Like, it is fucking shit. Nothing. This is just nothing. Year ends at the pullback. Oh my god, no way. UAJVY. Okay, bearish retest. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I see. Could have the same move that we had over here. Practically right here. So we missed out on this move, but it repeats itself. So we might have the same move right here because it's a resistance level and we have the EMA coming. Oh my god, yeah, I like this one. But however, keep in mind we are just putting back on the weekly time frame, so it could just have a doji next week or whatever. But yeah, we have to watch it, bro. Yeah, I like this one. So GJ! Bearish, pullback, same thing. Daily, pullback, EMA, same thing. 4 hour. Which one do you like more? That's the question now. And UJ is not the same. UJ is pretty much a bullish still. Hi, low. So I would say that, yeah, not good. My Russian accent. Okay, wait. This bullish, yeah, bullish, bearish, bullish. Oh fuck. Yeah, okay. I got my pairs for this week. I am pretty straightforward. I think I've made a good analysis of the pairs that like look complicated. And yeah, so my pairs are, I would also put these to the top. ADHD and NZDHD. I like this one the most. I like this one as well. Above. UJPY. I like these both. Fuck this. QGBP. I actually like these both more than these. And do I like NZDHD? It's still a counter trend trade. However, here we are like bearish. So this is like a counter trend trade, as you can see. We're still bearish in these trades. So I would say these what are top pairs pretty much. They're very simple, very straightforward. Just having to wait for some entry signals, and then that's it. You can take the trade, or you can wait for a week. It's up to you, man. Like, because that's the ideal scenario. So UJPY and JPY. Ideal scenario would be that we would have like weekly doji next week, and then the week after that we would take the trade to the downside, because that's what most likely is going to happen. But we could just have to move right now. I could have the wick to the upside, and then we have to move. Yeah, and you're also not supposed to be losing likely next week, because it might have to move and like move until here, and then week back, have a pullback, and then continue next week. You get my point, right? So it's like, don't be afraid to enter next week. If you see good structure on the daily and 4 hour, like, it might just have a pullback then as well and continue. It's a gradual process. It's like it has to step the stairs.